How to adjust Irritrol Sprinkler Heads. Irritrol is an irrigation brand under the Toro Company. Irritrol has provided services for the irrigation industry for more than 40 years. Its products include sprinkler valves, controllers, spray heads, nozzles and rotary sprinklers. Irritrol sprinkler heads offer adjustments for increased performance and use. You can adjust the distance of water emitted and also the right start position and degree of rotation for Irritrol gear-driven sprinklers. Making adjustments to your Irritrol sprinkler will maximize its ability to provide your landscape with adequate irrigation. Things you'll need: Irritrol rotor sprinkler key or universal tool. Adjust the Irritrol sprinkler head's watering radius or distance. Located on top of the sprinkler head is a radius adjustment or nozzle retention screw. It is typically found above the sprinkler's sprayer opening and controls water emission. The radius adjustment screw can adjust the radius throw by up to 25%. Insert the end of the Irritrol rotor key or the hex end of the Irritrol universal tool in the radius adjustment opening. Turn the screw clockwise to decrease the radius and counterclockwise to increase it. Align the right start on Irritrol gear-driven sprinklers. Turn the sprinkler on. Using your hand, rotate the sprinkler turret left to the stop position. Rotate the turret to the right start or fixed right edge. To align the right start with the desired watering area, grab the sprinkler can or housing and turn it as needed. Adjust the arc or sprinkler rotation on Irritrol gear-driven sprinklers by locating the arc set adjustment slot on top of the sprinkler turret. Insert the rotary tool or plastic key end of the universal tool into the arc set adjustment slot. Rotate the sprinkler turret to the right start position and hold it there. Turn the tool clockwise to increase the sprinkler arc and counterclockwise to decrease it. Each full turn of the tool will change the arc by 90 degrees. The arc can be adjusted from 40 degrees to 360 degrees. Tips: warnings. Right start adjustments may require repositioning the riser assembly. Remove the riser assembly from the sprinkler housing or can by twisting off the sprinkler top. Reposition the riser assembly so the nozzle arrow points towards the desired right start position. Put the riser assembly back in the sprinkler can and replace the top. The Irritrol rotor or universal tool will stop turning or you will hear a ratcheting noise when the minimum arc of 40 degrees and the maximum arc of 360 degrees have been reached.